Sir, stop. What are you doing? Back up.
I'm
back
walking.
Up, back up, back up, back up. You didn't see the stop sign? Three-way. Three-way. You hear me?
I'm finna go 3 my way back to my house.
No. You stop right here. You see the cone? You can't pass this line.
You passed it.
Construction going down there.
You passed it.
Listen, because I'm a construction worker. You feel me? I'm a construction worker.
Mm.
Okay. See that car down there?
Uh-huh.
See that car down there?
Mm-hmm.
It's going, and it's going to stop. Just like you supposed to stop. Just like that.
Okay.
So listen, you know. So I'm doing a little scam, you know. You want to be in it? You want to be in it?
How much money we gonna make?
Come in. I'm doing a scam, you know. So listen, right? So listen. I'm scamming people. You know why?
Why?
The gas price is going up, right? So listen. A little cash money, just like this. A little cash money. See like this. I mean, a little cash money. You know, like, okay.
That's like $10.
No. See. Listen. 1, 2, 10. Okay, listen. It's like, come on now, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's a car right there. It's a car right there. It's a car right there.
You didn't scam that car?
Hey, I told you. I've been telling him to stop. See, messing up my job. See, messing up my job. Come on now, messing up my job. You know, I got my cones out the way. You messing up my job, sir. I told you to stop. Listen. There you go. Keep going. Yeah, told you messing up my job, sir. Try to focus. Try to scam people so I get my gas money.
Okay.
It's going under $5. $5.
I don't know about 5. You can keep it even, say 4, but. Like
Sir, you don't understand. I'm struggling out here. You see what I got on? So I scam people. Hey, it works, dude. It works. Come on.
Oh, that's why you got this little cup right here?
Yeah. Hey, got a little money. You know what I'm saying, boy? I got that money, boy.
Yeah, where my cut?
Huh? Okay.
Where my cut?
Okay, listen. You gave me 5.
You harassing me. I want $5. No, I see a 5 right there.
What are you talking about?
I see a 5.
They're not 5.
No, that's a 5.
All right, get the dollar, boy. Yeah.